we all went through, and very, very excited to be here with this film, which is very meaningful to me personally, and in Pride Month, it's extremely powerful, I think, that we're premiering now. And I want to thank Tribeca for having us here. It's so great to be back. Sony for being behind this for so long, and Concord, and of course all the folks at Fine Point and everyone that worked so hard on this film. Much love to all of you, and of course to my new dear friend Cyndi Lauper, who is remarkable.
Thank you, Allison. Thank you guys for showing up and coming to see this today. Also want to thank Sony, I've been with them forever, and you know, I thought they knew everything about me anyway. When I was first approached, and Fine Point and Tribeca Film Festival, of course, because it's a New York film festival. That's right. And I went to Cannes, okay? But it's great to show my documentary. It's kind of like the first screening in New York City, where I was born. So, right? And I must say, I'll say quick, when I first was approached to do a documentary, did I thank everybody? Because now I feel like a rat bastard. You know, Concord, who has always been an ally for me, and Fine Point, new ally, and anybody else? We're good. Okay, I said thank you. But when I was first approached, I said, well, you know, a documentary, I'm not dead yet. But if anybody was going to tell my story, the good, the bad, the ugly, and all the missteps and the good steps, the triumphs and the not so triumph, it would be Allison Elwood. She is a wonderful filmmaker and a wonderful editor and director. I mean, seriously. So I feel honored because I love films. I don't like them, I love them. Okay, we good? I think we're good. Okay.